Hi guys! Nagulat siya. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, guys!
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Team
Zulueta!
If you're just new to our channel, don't forget to
Like
subscribe
and hit the notification bell for
future videos. Yes, this is mini heaven.
So we are here at Glen Iris at the Royal Melbourne Hospital's Home Lottery Grand Prize.
Yes. So this is a $4.7 million home plus 50,000
Worth of gold.
Yes. So it means all of the appliances that you will see inside will be yours. So guys, let me take you through this beautiful house here in Glen Iris that sits in a 696 square meter lot area. And this house was built by Matse. So let's check it out. So you will be greeted with this massive door, solid wood, so pretty. And then on your left corner, we have the home office, which is very spacious, and you will have this very long table for you to enjoy while working from home. And if you don't want to let your visitors come in, or for example, you just have your clients, you can receive them here in your sunken receiving area. Come, let's go. And while sitting here, they will be able to enjoy this beautiful view of the pool area. You can actually entertain visitors here. Why? Because you have this little bar area over here. Would you like some vodka, sir? Apart from that, you have your television entertainment area with this black timber backdrop. Birthday mo, girl. Yes, so there you have lots of storage up there and down here. So that is the entrance. Then going here to the office, going down to this sit down area or entertainment area, and then you can also go from that side going to these stairs, going down again to the living room and the kitchen. Let's go. But before heading to the living room, you will be greeted with this mad area. Mad, angry, joke. You can sit here, remove your shoes, put your bags in here so that it won't contaminate your house. And then,
The garage.
oh, no, it's not. Is it? Oh, it's the garage. Do not enter. Look at this. It's so pretty also. There's a stairs going up and then down. So this house is an up and down house. And then from the garage to the mud area, going to your straight to the laundry. So you can remove your clothes in here and put it straight to the laundry area. Oh, diba? And this dryer and washing machine comes with the house as well. So this is for free, guys. And you have the sink here, and you will be going out straight to the side area of your house where you can hang your clothes. And now we are entering the open plan living, kitchen, and dining area. Let's go. It has this lounge area, an L-shaped lounge area where you could relax and watch TV. Or if not, you can sit on that beautiful chair over there. It's like a palm carrying your butt. Oh, it's so relaxing. It's a beautiful chair. It's comfy. Yeah, I like it. Can we take this home? Or, no, we're not taking this home because this will be our future home. Claim it. And then you have your TV over there and another storage area down there. Another feature of this house is this double-sided um, gas fireplace with marble tiling. Then let's go to the kitchen area. So first, you will have the dining area over there with my visitors. You've got this olive tree. A tree, it's not a tree, okay, it's plant, sorry. So look at this beautiful kitchen countertop. It's a waterfall countertop made up of marble. Wow, very social. It has an integrated refrigerator. Look at that. So huge. Oh, freezer. And you have your oven. And then you have your coffee machine. Very techy coffee machine. We don't know how to use this machine. And then you have your food warmer. Beautiful. Over here, we have the huge sink with a beautiful faucet. It's movable, going there and going here. Very nice. And also, a beautiful bean. Beautiful bean. Lahat na lang beautiful, just like me. Where is the dishwasher? Oh, maybe over here. Oh, so this is the stove. And then I thought it's a jet. So this is the exhaust fan, I think. Yeah. Diba? Parang turbo jet. Parang may lalabas na dito. Tambutso. Bashing! Bashing! Ganyan. And what is this? Oh, this is the dishwasher over here. We have the butler's pantry. You'll be having another sink with a natural light coming in. A huge window over there. Then we have your pantry. Beside this dining area, you'll have another long sitting area. So that's for your kitchen and your dining area, living area. Now, let's go down again. Ano to? Palalim ng palalim. Now you will have the powder room. So you have an arch mirror in here with a drum sink. It is like a hotel powder room, and it's very high ceiling. The previous houses built by Matse, the master's bedroom or the primary bedroom usually are situated upstairs. But this time, the master's bedroom or your primary bedroom is here in the ground floor. Let's go check it out. So you will have this massive door again. It's so tall. I'm like a dwarf when I enter this door. Wow! Imagine waking up in the morning being greeted by your beautiful pool. So the only adjective that I know is beautiful. See? Muni-muni over here. I don't wanna go out. Well, I'm so lazy to go out. And next we have this beautifully designed headboard. It's like you are in a hotel with this drop light fixture and your side table. Lots of things you can put in this side table. And of course, you will not have bedroom without a walk-in closet. So let's check this walk-in closet. Okay, see? This is for her. As you can see, we have spacious wardrobe. Lots of things to put in. Wow! Maybe if I will be living in this house, I will just occupy two of these for me and for you. From the closet, let's go here in this humongous toilet and bath area. Look at this bathtub. It's to die for. Yeah, and then you're taking a bath here, and then your neighbor will see you. Hey neighbor, let's take a bath together. Oh my gosh, why did they open it? Maybe we could close it. Let's see how does it look like when you close it up. They can still see you, ladies and gentlemen. No, they won't, I guess. Yeah, and then you have this bar in here so that you could. Okay. Pole dancing pala. Okay, and then let's check this shower area. We have the rain shower in here, and then you have the skylight. So the natural light is coming in. Very high ceiling. I love it. Oh, the knobs are here, hot and cold. So you will take a shower like this. Turn it on and then. Oh, wanna turn it off? Oh, work out. Pwedeng nandun na lang siya. And it has a very long niche where you can put your soap, your shampoo, conditioner, and you can put your iPad here or your phone, and then you can watch while dancing, while taking a bath. Diba? Hindi na siya mababasa, layo eh. Okay, next we have this double vanity sink. So you will have enough space for your husband and for the wife. And of course, we have another storage area in here. We have this mirror that serves as a storage area as well. You can put all of your vanity stuff in here. You can put your skincare. Diba? Nice. And Mikel is there. Okay. And of course, you have your toilet, your throne. It's spacious as well and well ventilated. I think is that the exhaust fan? Yeah. The thing is, there is no door. Maybe in a luxurious place, they don't use doors. Getting hot in here. So here is the pool area. It's not that huge, but at least you have your pool area. This pool is also for kids and adults. Why? Because on this first part of the pool, it's just maybe 3 feet, then going deeper and deeper as you walk through. And you have this beautiful landscape over here surrounding the pool area. And then you could walk for going from here to the backyard. And you have your barbecue area over here. You have this beautiful outdoor dining set and your barbecue area with a beautiful countertop. So let's check out the backyard. This is the side yard. Let's go to the backyard. We have this refreshing bamboo plants. And then as we go down, oh, you have this infinity pool. And as we go on, we have this walk path over here with a beautiful landscape. It's not that huge, but still, you have plenty of spaces here where you could lounge and, relax. You could actually put some chairs here. You remove the plants. And we are about to go to the laundry area on that side. So let's not go there anymore. Let's go back. Come, let's have a look of the rooms upstairs. So we have another room piece in here. So this is, I think, the third sitting area or the lounge area in this house. So you can have this as your family room since you still have the TV over there. So you could watch here, so have some family time in here. So guys, let's check the first bedroom here in the second floor. So this bedroom is well designed, and as you can see, you have this humongous window where you could see the swimming pool. So it's like you are as well in the master's bedroom. Same view as you wake up in the morning. And look at that bedroom. You can see each other. Hey neighbor bedroom. So if that's your brother or sister, hi sis, hi bro, what's up? It has its own wardrobe, beautifully designed. See, we have the white and navy blue combination of paint. So let's check the wardrobe. Ooh, nice. And you have the ensuite toilet and bath. And you also have the skylight on the side of the ceiling. Moving on, we have another study area over here where the kids can study because it's a study area. As we move on, we have this walk-in linen room. So we have lots of storage here where you can put extra linen, extra pillows, yeah, or extra pantry. You can put the groceries in here. Now let's go to the second bedroom. So you will have the same design as the first bedroom, and you will also have your own toilet and bath. As you can see, all of the bedrooms here have their own toilet and bath. How good is that? And let's check out the last bedroom. So basically same design, but it has no large window. And because it has no large window, yes, he agrees with me, they have incorporated or integrated a study area, mini study area. So you choose the one that has huge window or the one that has study area. Maybe I'll just have the one that has huge window. So here is the toilet and bath. There you have it, guys. I hope you liked the tour. I hope you enjoyed it. And maybe if you are not from Melbourne or Australia, this house can be an inspiration if you are building a house, a modern house, wherever you are in the whole wide world. So you can have a look of the design of this house. So guys, if you want to win this house, you have to visit the website of Royal Melbourne Hospital Home Lottery, and you can get your tickets online. The draw date will be on October 13, 2022, so hurry up and grab your tickets. So again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to
Like
subscribe
and hit the notification bell for
future videos. Bye!